channel. So we will discuss about the different helmets which are used in an industry for safety purpose. So first one is a yellow color helmet which are used for heavy duty operations and construction tasks, and second is grey color helmet which is used for site visitors, and then red color helmet is used for firefighters. The brown color helmet is used for welders and high operations. So next one is that blue color helmet which is used for electricians and technical operators, and another is a green color helmet which is used for safety officers, and then pink is used for female workers, and in some companies it is used as an additional helmet. So the last one is that white color helmet which is used in every industries. So the white color helmet is used also in managers, engineers, supervisors and foremen. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the channel and like the video.